Hi there, I'm Carla Ann, the car lady at Highway Mazda in Steinbach, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about your push start button on your new Mazda. Do you remember in the old cars with a key, you would put it in the ignition, you'd turn it one time, there'd be a little notch, you turn it one time, you could listen to your radio. The second time you'd go a little bit farther, you could turn on your fan, your heated seats, that kind of thing. One more time and your car would start. Well, it's kind of the same thing in the push start with a slight twist. So let me take you through the process and I'll show you how you can do it. All right, let's go. Right here is where you'll see the start button. It's running right now. I'm going to turn it off. When I put my foot on the brake, it's going to turn green. That says I can start the car. But what I'm going to do is just without having my foot on the brake, turn it on one time. And now you'll hear that the radio will play. If I hit it 2 times, so one more time, now you'll notice my dash lights come on. My heated seat comes on. I can turn on my heated steering wheel. I can adjust the fan, and the music is still playing. When I hit it the next time though, instead of starting, it turns everything off. Because remember, in order to start it, I put my foot on the brake, the light turns green, and then I can start it. That's all there is to it. But if you have any more questions, feel free to give me a call at Highway Mazda. My number is 204-326-6437. Take care.